Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Nolu Malope, she tied the knot this past weekend and everything went well. Past few days, she had a beautiful umembeso that was attended by the closet families. Nolu took her Instagram page. She shared a photo captioning, "The day I became Mrs. Mariha." Umembeso is a Zulu traditional ceremony that follows lobola negotiations. In this ceremony, the groom's family showered the bride's family with a gift. Rebecca Malope, groom's mother, she took her Instagram page to congratulate to her daughter. And she said, "I'm the happiest mother right now. Congratulations to my daughter, at Nolu Malope, who is now Mrs. Makgotso Mariha. May God bless your union, my children. I love you both. Halala, #kwakuhle kwethu, #umembeso. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.